Continuation po tayo sa Shui, Blood, part 11. Okay, this is the case of a female, 38 years old. Yung tongue description is pale, thin, curled up edges. So observe po natin yung tongue pataas with a reddish center, yung sa gitna, and there is a depression at the root. So there, kung observe po natin yung likod ng tongue, may palubog po na depression. Yung symptoms, there is a deep exhaustion, may burning around the anus, may anal pain, there is a constipation, lack of appetite, and insomnia. So Western diagnosis, inflamed hemorrhoids. Yung background to disease, there is a strong demand at work and home, unhappy marriage, there's a constant prostration, may 4 pregnancies, caffeine abuse. Sa TCM diagnosis, there is a spleen Qi deficiency, blood deficiency, there's a liver Qi constraint, heat in the stomach, and essence deficiency. Next, we have a female, 35 years old. Yung tongue patient is pale with and thin. There is pale edges. Okay, manipis po yung tongue niya. There is a slightly dry and thin crack in the center. So observe po natin yung tongue. There is a thin crack yung sa gitna po. Yung symptoms, there is exhaustion. There is acute diarrhea with blood and mucus. Ang patient merong hair loss, there is a short menstrual cycle, and meron siyang intense fears. So Western diagnosis, ulcerative colitis. Yung background to disease, there is helminths, improperly treated in India. There is emotional problems, vegetarian diet, and fasting po siya. Sa TCM diagnosis, there is slight spleen Qi deficiency, yung meron siyang blood deficiency, liver blood deficiency, slight stomach Qi deficiency. Potential signs of blood deficiency, ang patient merong pale lips, yung nails, yung tongue, face. There's also dry facial skin and dry skin. Yung hair nag-fall out. There is floaters in the eyes, merong body aches, numbness, and weak tendons that are easily injured. There's potential signs of blood deficiency. There is also dizziness, poor memory, difficulty focusing, depression, there is anxiety, difficulty relaxing, easily stressed, difficulty falling, and or staying asleep, a feeling of floating, and disembodiment. There is also lack of strength, upper body tension, really heavy periods or light periods, merong headaches, may migraine. Sa Western illness group under blood deficiency, there is a chronic fatigue syndrome, may infertility, there is arthritis, anemia, eating disorders, restless leg syndrome, merong migraine, headaches, gynecological problem, may fibroids, menstrual problems, and pain, polycystic ovary syndrome. There's also problem with focus and concentration, being scattered, poor short-term memory, there's musculoskeletal pain, there's weak, mushy muscle tone, cold limbs, meron din siyang insomnia, depression, and anxiety.